Start site extension. This allows you to automatically extend the toolpath past the front of the part without having to drag the markers. First, we'll open up our process. Here you'll see Start Site Extension. The first process we'll create, we'll leave that value at 0. We'll select our geometry. We'll move our end feature here. We'll drop our end marker, the end point there, and our start marker, the start of the geometry. And we'll say do it. You'll notice that the tool path is right on the front of the part. Let's create a second operation. This time we'll change the process information and we'll put 200 thousandths in the start site extension. We'll say do it, and you'll notice now the toolpath is extended 200 thousandths past the front of the part.